In the silent depths of the factory, gears begin to grind as the colossal machinery awakens from its slumber, preparing for a journey of creation. Shadows dance across cold steel, whispering of the transformation about to unfold. Every bolt and piston vibrates with the pulse of an industrial heartbeat. Tiny particles of ancient grains float like stardust in the dim amber light, waiting for the spark of mechanical life to ignite the entire process. Suddenly, the darkness is shattered. Electricity surges through the veins of the plant, bringing light to the corners where chaos is about to begin. The giants release their burden. A white torrent of pure flour descends from the heights, falling like a thick blanket of snow onto the waiting floor. The sheer volume of the material is overwhelming. This is the raw power of the ingredients, the very foundation of the feast we are building. At the microscopic level, a silent dialogue begins. The flour prepares itself, its molecules reaching out to the atmosphere in a dance of chemical potential. This is the beginning. A world of potential hidden within a single grain, now gathered in mass to fuel the hunger of a global civilization. We enter the heart of the Union, a colossal steel chamber where elements will collide, merging their strengths into a singular, powerful force of nature. Water, the essence of life, descends in a crystal stream. It strikes the flour with precision, initiating a bond that has been perfected over centuries. Each drop is a catalyst. Watch as the dry grains absorb the moisture, their dry shells softening as they prepare to become something much greater. The mechanical arms roar into action. They churn the mixture with a primal strength, forcing the elements together in a relentless, churning vortex of energy. Deep within the mass, a miracle occurs. Gluten strands weave themselves into a complex web, creating the strength and elasticity needed for the journey ahead. The texture is raw and primitive. It is a living, breathing mass of potential, pulsing with the energy of the machines that give it shape. Through the observation glass, the guardians watch. Their eyes are fixed on the consistency, ensuring the perfect balance is achieved in this industrial ritual. The birth is complete. A massive weight of dough is birthed onto the line, heavy and powerful, ready to be tamed by the next stage. It moves with an inevitable momentum. A river of white gold flowing toward the rollers, carrying the promise of sustenance to the world's hungry masses. Structure is everything. The crystallization of the dough marks the transition from a simple mixture to a resilient material capable of enduring the heat. We enter the Hall of Mirrors. A sequence of rollers stretches into the darkness, designed to flatten and refine the dough into a perfect sheet. Under immense pressure, the dough surrenders. Each roller thins it down, pressing out the air and aligning the fibers into a smooth, silky canvas. The precision is absolute. The machine's touch is both brutal and delicate, transforming the rough mass into a sheet of incredible consistency and strength. Then come the blades. A spinning wall of silver steel waits to divide the sheet, turning the vast plain of dough into 1,000 threads. In an instant, the sheet is gone. Long, graceful ribbons emerge from the teeth of the cutter, dancing as they take on their final form. They seem to come alive. These golden threads move with a rhythmic grace, a synchronized dance of geometry and flavor that captivates the industrial eye. Look upon the endless river. Miles of noodles flow toward the horizon, a testament to the scale of modern production and human ingenuity. Every portion is a masterpiece of accuracy. The machines calculate every millimeter, ensuring that no strand is out of place in this grand design. This is the art of the machine. Absolute precision meets the fluidity of the dough, creating the iconic shape that billions recognize around the globe. Now, they face the fire. The noodles enter the steam chamber, a place of extreme heat and humidity where their nature will be forever changed. Steam penetrates the core. Every fiber is infused with heat, softening the structure and locking in the texture that gives the noodle its soul. Inside the inferno, the atmosphere is heavy. The air is thick with the scent of cooking dough, a fragrant mist that coats everything in gold. The machines themselves sweat under the pressure. This is a place of transformation, where raw energy is harnessed to cook the perfect meal. The color shifts before our eyes. The pale dough awakens, blushing under the heat, emerging with a vibrant hue that signals its readiness for the world. They emerge from the fog like ghosts, Cooked to perfection, they carry the warmth of the steam into the next phase of their long journey. Observe the resilience. The steam has given them strength and flexibility, creating a texture that is both soft to the touch and firm to the bite. The power behind the heat is immense, a network of iron and fire that never sleeps, providing the constant energy needed to feed the line. The transformation is absolute. Through the power of heat, we have turned simple flour and water into a cooked vessel of flavor and nutrition. The final trial awaits. A golden lake of pure oil, heated to the perfect temperature, ready to seal the fate of every single noodle strand. The descent is spectacular. As they touch the liquid fire, a violent reaction begins, purging the moisture and replacing it with a golden crispness. Inside the strand, a battle rages. Moisture is driven out in a frantic escape, creating microscopic channels that will later hold the flavor of the soup. The sound is a constant roar, a symphony of sizzling energy that fills the air, marking the moment the noodles gain their legendary crunch. Behold the golden hour. In the heat of the oil, the noodles are reborn, cloaked in a brilliant armor that preserves them for eternity. The entire factory is bathed in a celestial glow. The reflection of the oil turns the industrial space into a temple of golden light and heat. They are reclaimed from the fire. Shaking with the force of the machine, they shed the excess oil, emerging clean, crisp, and ready for life. The wind cleanses them. Powerful jets of air strip away the lingering heat and oil, refining the surface until it is perfectly dry and crisp. Look closely at the structure. It is a masterpiece of engineering, designed to absorb water in seconds while maintaining a satisfying, firm texture. This is the heart of the operation, a continuous cycle of heat and transformation that produces millions of portions with unwavering quality and speed. The heat begins to fade, but the energy remains. The noodle is now a finished product, a durable and delicious survivor of the industrial fire. The golden moment has passed. What was once flour and water is now a legendary food, ready to be shared with the entire world. We enter the final sanctuary. The air is cool and clean, a stark contrast to the fire we left behind as we prepare for the end. The machines work with a cold, calculated grace. Every sachet of spices is placed with absolute accuracy, adding the soul of the dish to its body. The essence of flavor arrives. From spicy chili to savory beef, these tiny packets contain the concentrated spirit of global cuisines, waiting to be unleashed. Protection is the final step. A transparent shield is drawn over the product, sealing in the freshness and protecting the golden contents from the world. The seal is permanent. Heat and pressure merge the plastic, creating a vacuum that will preserve this meal for months or even years to come. They gather in their thousands, a mountain of silver and gold, ready to be dispatched to every corner of the map. From cities to mountains, the river branches out. Like veins carrying lifeblood, the conveyors distribute the finished products to a global network of markets and homes. The final check is digital. Every pack is accounted for, every journey tracked, ensuring that the standards of the Titan are met in every bite. Into the dark, they go. Boxed and ready for transport, they are the silent travelers that will bring comfort to billions in their time of need. The journey is complete. From a grain of dust to a finished masterpiece, the humble noodle stands as a triumph of modern industrial civilization. The machines let out a long, metallic sigh. Their work is done for now, but the legacy of their labor will feed the world tonight. Finality. The journey of taste concludes here, leaving behind a promise of quality, speed, and the enduring power of a simple, perfect meal.